Good morning, you soup. We ate breakfast earlier. We just walked over to this little area for like activities and excursions. We're trying to get on this one, but we're hoping that they had called about canceling, but they have yet to officially cancel, so we're supposed to show up and see if we can just hop on at like 4:40. We kind of lost Tomas. Kind of don't know where he at for real. I'm about to call him. It's the fit. I have a pink bikini under, even though they claim they don't want to go swimming again. Mind you, we on an island. I tied my hair back. I did not do this edge. I did this edge. I'm literally like shooting pictures. We made it.
Got my boarding pass, guys.
We getting on that boat. We hype, bro. We hype.
Sunset today.
Bro, and the pimple in the middle of my face.
Anybody get drunk on the boat?
We gonna be here for a minute, chat. Hey, pose. It's just a big dog. It's crazy moving.
Your hairbrush.
Chat, they said that they're gonna throw me overboard. So if you don't see me after this, you know who did it. To swim to the island? I will not make that island, bro. I'll make it like 5 feet out. And it's actual heavy waves? Heck no, bro. They keep coming with food, bro. We already back. The fit. Cute. I can only imagine. And we're at this beach. I think it's like coral something. We are in the water, obviously. And then I'm gonna get my water case so you can see this room. For what? Are we getting deeper?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Why they got us in the background? Beachfront. Bro, the knot in my wicked. Apparently there's a pool up there. We just gotta figure out how to get there. They were taking too long, so I left. They playing my time, and I don't got it. It's a lot of beeping, y'all. More serious. Holy, oh my gosh. Ah. Can't even see nothing. It's an infinity pool, chat. I'm gonna take a shower. Say goodbye to this outfit. I'm gonna brush my hair out in the shower with the conditioner for like 10 hours. Next video, gonna be litty. Be on the other side. We ate like 2 or 3 s'mores, and now we came to get dinner. My drink is almost gone. It was so good. I got some tacos on the way. This is the view. Yo, chat, why 9 a.m. the alarm starts going on? Talking about fire. Nobody outside. Been going on for 14 minutes now. Most of we done. It's over. We're shopping around.
It's $15, bro.
Hey, you getting one for the fridge? $58. Go. Mm, 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 mm.